Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn to subtract the integers. For this, you need to know addition rules and steps to solve it. So you can check out my video rules for adding integers step by step, whose link is given in the description box. So let's begin. In subtraction, we have to follow rules stepwise. The very first step is convert the subtraction sign into an addition sign. So, in the given example, 14 minus 7, we'll convert the subtraction sign into addition sign. Next step is after converting the sign, take the inverse of the number which comes after the sign. So, the number after the sign here is minus 7. Its inverse will be plus 7. Next step is once the transformation is done, follow the rules of addition. As we have done all the necessary transformations, we'll take the previous number as it is, and now we have to apply addition rule of integers. As you can see here, after doing necessary transformation, the equation we have is 14 plus 7. So both the numbers are positive. So using addition rule for both numbers positive is we have to add and give plus sign to the answer. So after adding 14 and 7, we get answer as 21, and we have to give sign plus to the answer, or you can simply write as 21. Now let's check the second example. Again, we will be going through all the steps. First step is convert the subtraction sign into an addition sign. So we have converted the sign. Next step is after converting the sign, take the inverse of the number which comes after the sign. In the given example, number after the sign is 7, which is positive. So its inverse will be minus 7. Next step is once the transformation is done, follow the rules of addition. These are the necessary transformation, and the previous number will be written as it is. After this, we have to decide which rule we have to use. As here you can see both the numbers are negative. So using addition rule for negative numbers will solve the further question. So when two numbers are negative, we have to do addition and give minus sign to the answer. So if we add 15 and 7, we get answer as 22, and we have to give minus sign to the answer. So final answer will be minus 22. Let's check this question. It is minus 5 minus 10. Again, first step is convert the subtraction sign into an addition sign. So minus sign is converted to plus sign. Next step is after converting the sign, take the inverse of the number which comes after the sign. In the given example, the number after the sign is minus 10, and its inverse will be plus 10. Once the transformation is done, follow the rules of addition. Now, as much transformations we have completed are the necessary transformation, and rest of the number will be as it is. Now, as we can see that one number is negative and other is positive. So here we'll be using addition rule for first number negative and second positive, where we have to do subtraction and give greater number sign. So if we do subtraction between 10 and 5, and we have to give the greater number sign, here greater number is 10, so our answer will have plus sign as it is for the greater number. This is how we subtract the integers. Like, share and subscribe the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.